Hey guys, if you guys want to see how I curled my hair under 10 minutes, go ahead and stay tuned. Sitting on my own, feel like I'm exiled. Feeling like I always do the wrong things. Telling all their friends that I'm the bad kid. Now I'm on my own, I lost my magic. Dealing with your bullshit. Alrighty guys, so now that I have my hair flat ironed, at least the majority of it where I want it because I have naturally curly hair, I'm just going to throw a couple curls in it just because I just want a little more something done to it just because I am going to my mother-in-law's later. But this is just from me braiding it and then just leaving it overnight. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my 1-inch bionic long barrel and it is at 360 and I have it locked in. And I'm going to start in the back and I'm just going to take a pretty big chunk, maybe about 2 inches, and then I'm just going to run my curling iron through it once and then one more time just to like heat it up, and it actually smooths down your hair if you have like natural curly or frizzy hair with the extensions. And then I'm just gonna start right in the middle, and I don't like to do them too tight. I just like to do it really loose, especially with a really messy look and me not doing anything. And then I'm just gonna hold it for like 5 seconds, and then I'm just gonna feel, and if it's really hot to touch, then it's about ready. And then I'm just going to pull it out, and I left quite a bit on the ends. So I'm just going to let that cool, and what I like to do is just toss it to the back. And I have all my hair pulled forward, so when I toss it to the back of my hair, it is just cooling down. And it is not mixing into any other curls. My family always said I was the bad child. My family always said I was the bad child. Throwing me away into the bad bowl. All my life been putting on a fake smile. Sitting on my own, feel like I'm exiled.